Come learn what matters at MIT WPU.
Ours is one of the 3 universities in Maharashtra to offer such a program in data science. Our curriculum includes all the core subjects like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, along with ample hands-on lab sessions in Python, followed by Hadoop ecosystem, Hadoop framework, Apache Spark and Scala, including BI tools like Power BI and Tableau. We also teach subjects like statistics and mathematics in the very first trimester of this program. The last 6 months are reserved for internships where the students work shoulder to shoulder with the industry experts. This year, we have seen companies like Veritas, Bizmetric, EasyEst Solution, Hexanica offer internships to the students. The placement season has been fantastic. Our highest package is 11 lakhs. Companies like Halliburton, Snowflake, Bizmetric, Birlasoft, EasyEst Solution, CRG Solutions, and many more have visited our campus for data science students. We also offer scholarships to meritorious students who have scored excellent marks in 10th, 12th, and UG, as well as to those who are wards of defense personnel. Coming to our faculty members, we have very good faculties with research background. Many of them are PhD holders, some of them are pursuing PhDs. We do also have industry experts among our faculty team. Another good news is that recently we have signed an international collaboration with Wisconsin University Parkside for a twin degree program, under which the students will complete 1 year at MIT WPU and a second year at Wisconsin University. At the end of 2 years, they'll get a twin degree, one in MSc Data Science and Big Data Analytics and a second degree in MSCIS. Don't you think it is exciting? Along with this MOU, we have signed numerous other industry MOUs with companies like Algo Analytics, Hexanica, Sybase, Expansion, and many more. This is an attempt to bridge the gap between industry and academia. We involve these people in our curriculum design, in board of studies meeting, in various evaluation competitions, as well as we invite them for guest lectures and webinars throughout the year. We also encourage students to participate in hackathons and research conferences. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click on mitwpu.edu.in, go to the admissions section and click on our program, that is MSc in Data Science and Big Data Analytics. I am eager to welcome you all.